Well, Honorable Dr. Odonga, a political philosopher, has replied with some serious statements on the battle between Amongi and the Minister of Health. This came from a post from Daily Monitor that Yam South MP and Minister of Gender, Labour and Special Development, Betty Amongi, has officially declared her intention to contest for the Lira City Woman MP seat in the 2026 elections. This move sets up a political showdown with her colleague, Dr. Ruth Aceng, the incumbent Lira City Woman MP and Minister of Health. Now, this is what Odonga said. Dr. Odonga said, I worked with both closely. The first point from Odonga is, one has a heart and the other is heartless. The second point, one can say no and the other can't. Then the third one has amassed a lot of wealth. Then the fourth one is reliable but greedy. And the other is unreliable and a good-for-nothing person. One is a thug and can't lose. Serious 4 bullets from Dr. Odonga on Jane Ruth Aceng and Betty Amongi, who are coming hot like sulfur for Lira City showdown, which is starting this 2025 for 2026, of course. So, as a reminder, for those who may not know, Betty Amongi goes at the side that Langi loves a lot, the Lang people love so much. That is the party known as UPC, which is led by the son of Dr. Milton Obote. And then Jane Ruth is from the National Resistance Party, which chanced to lead Lira City from the previous election, mostly tying achievement, claiming control of COVID-19 lockdown. Yes, as a reminder, odd things are coming on Acholi High TV, and if you're subscribed, you will always be able to get it. Thank you.